Class 9, Chapter 1, Example 6. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Example 6. Express 1.62 bar in the P by Q form. Means 1.62 bar we should convert in the rational number. Rational numbers means what? The rational numbers means it is expressed the numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Means this Q is not equals to 0, where P comma Q belongs to integers. Okay. 1.62 bar. First 1.62 bar. 62 bar means 62 is repeating. 1.62 and 62 and 62. Here 62 is repeating. Therefore, this total value is equals to, I am taking let x is equals to 1.6262 so on. This is equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Here how many digits are repeating? 62 is repeating. Okay, 62 62 60. 62 means 2 digits are repeating, means periodicity is equals to 2. Here 62 is repeating now, periodicity is equals to 2. Therefore what we should do? Periodicity 2 means we should multiply by 100. Suppose periodicity 1 means multiply by 10. Periodicity, by seeing this periodicity only we should multiply. Here periodicity 2, therefore we should multiply by 100. Multiplying ऑफ इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई చేస్తున్నాం इक्वेशन 1 बाय 100 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग 100 से इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई చేస్తున్నాం इक्वेशन 1 को 100 तो नाउ multiplying of equation 1 by 100. For this equation 1 what we are multiplying? 100. Means first I will write this equation 1. X is equals to this RHS. I am giving some gap and I will write 1.62 1.62 so on. Okay, but what we should multiply here? Multiply 100 to equation 1. This is equation 1 no, therefore we will multiply both sides. We should multiply. Okay, multiplying both sides of the equation. You write here BS. Okay, otherwise you will get confused. Multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 100. Okay, both sides means left hand side and our right hand side. What we should multiply? 100 into x. Here also RHS side also 100 we are multiplying. 100 into 1.6262 so on. Now 100 into x 100x. LHS is 100x. LHS we can easily write, but RHS, what about RHS means? See once you ignore this decimal point, means without decimal point this total you write 16262. Okay, 16262 so on. Okay, this is the technique. First you write the total, writing afterwards 100 we are multiplying by 100 means what? Point you should move this point, shift this point to 2 digits after, means where you will get 1 2 means here you will get 62 after, means here you will get the point. Okay, this is equation 2. This is equation 2. Now subtracting equation equation 2 from equation 1 we get here also you write we get, so that it is some sentence will be nice. We get right here also. Okay, and here also subtracting equation 2 from 1 we get first equation 2 we should write. Okay, 100x x is equals to 162.62 so on. Okay, this is equation 2. Whereas equation 1, what is equation 1? X is equal 1.6262 so on. Okay, x is equals to 1.6262 so on. First you should match the points. Remember, already I said in 8th class, same problem there in 8th class, first chapter, third exercise, second bit. Okay, example problems also there like these problems. Okay, same method of problem. First you match the points. Afterwards left side what there, one value, 1 there left side, and point right side what there, 6, 2 so on. Okay, 6 2 6 2 so on, 6 2 6 2 so on. You'll say cancel means you'll get 0 therefore here, therefore no need to write. Now by subtracting here, this get cancelled, 0. 100x minus x means what? 99x. Here 100x minus x means what? 99x. Okay, 99x. Here 6 2 get cancelled. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 and 6 1. Total 161. Okay, 161. Now x is equals to 161 by this 99 will transpose to RHS side. What happened? Multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. Therefore, answer is x is equals to 161 by 99. Same method of problems I am explained in 8th class, first chapter. Examples and exercise total problems explained. Is there any doubt means you check the problems and be perfect.